Hi everybody, it's Chase from All Things Automotive. I want to show you this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. This particular Silverado is a double cab. It's the LT1 trim level. I'll show you right off the bat some of the things you get with the LT1 is this big chrome grille up front and the chrome bumper there, as well as the nice accents around the lights that are sort of part of the grille, the whole grille look. Got a 17-inch alloy rim down here. A little out of order, but I want to show you the brand new tires we put on this truck. There are 4 new General Grabber tires the whole way around, and if you look inside the wheel here, you'll see a shiny new brake rotor. Can't quite get you on an angle to see the pads, but has all 4 new brake rotors and pads the whole way around. So you won't have to worry about tires or brakes as maintenance items for years to come on this truck. Coming back the side, once again with the LT, you got the body-colored mirror caps as well as door handles. Continuing on back, see your matching General Grabber tire and 17-inch rim there. Looking here in the bumper, you'll see that you have your step bumper on both sides. Makes it easy to get in and out of the bed. Got your OEM style hookups here for your trailer, as well as the hitch receiver to tow with. Has an easy open tailgate, so we're gonna back away, and it comes down without slamming or anything like that. Nice bed liner in here. All the double cab trucks have the exact same bed length. I believe it's 6.5 feet. That might not be exactly correct, but it's roughly correct. Oh, and you can see there inside the bed, the 4 holes in the bed liner are for tie-down straps, and they are on either side. Once again, your matching General Grabber tire. You've got a thing here. This is on both sides. This piece of molded plastic actually protects the paint from rocks and anything that may be thrown up off the tire into this area of the truck. Same deal here, as well as a matching chip guard up here in the front. Have your chrome Silverado badging there. Let's jump in to show you some of the controls here real quick. Fire the truck up. Put my seatbelt on so that the red light doesn't flash at us through the whole video. Alright, you can see that this truck has just under 25,000 miles on it right now. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention when I started it up. All of our cars here at All Things Automotive are guaranteed to come with 2 keys. You can see the 2 keys for this truck hanging right here. Your cruise control controls over here. Phone controls, as well as the navigation for all of your menus right there. Standard 4x4 selector over here. Light controls, the dimmer switch for all of your instrumentation right there. Coming over to the radio, have the pretty large Chevrolet touchscreen there. It can be controlled via here or up here, so your audio controls are right there. And you can connect your phone via Bluetooth and control that from here. The Onstar Navigation, the turn-by-turn by OnStar. Hit the settings button, you roll down. You'll see that there's a button here for Wi-Fi. This truck actually has a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot through OnStar. Actually, this is my own car. It's relatively inexpensive to have a Wi-Fi connection. I believe it's $10 a month for a little bit, for about 1 gigabyte, which isn't a lot, but I only use it in emergencies because the truck or the car often gets better reception than your phone. It's just sort of a nice perk to have. Like I said, I have in my own vehicle. Very convenient. Have your cargo lamps here, traction control buttons, all your standard air conditioning and things like that down here. OnStar controls up there, and then your reading lamps, as well as the controls for whether or not the lights come on when you open your doors. Alright, like I said, this truck is a pretty well-equipped truck with your hitch receivers and things like that. Your maintenance items are taken care of for years to come. If you'd like to take a look at this truck, please visit us at 21518 Great Cove Road. Keep checking us out online at 717-485, at thomasata.com, or give us a call at 717-485-4224. Thank you for your time watching this video, and I hope you found it to be informative.